Okay. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us for the presentation of our master's project, Planning for Biodiversity Conservation in the St. Mary's River Watershed. I'd like to start off by introducing my colleagues on this project. We have Robin Harris, Tammy Patterson, Brad Kinder, Vanessa Parker-Geisman, and my name is Adrienne Marino. And I also want to welcome Rebecca Esselman and Doug Pearsall of the Nature Conservancy, who we worked closely with on this project. This past summer, our project team was fortunate to spend about a month in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. And during that time, we really developed a sense of the St. Mary's River as a place. And we observed firsthand both the aesthetic beauty of the place, but also the ecological complexity. And in addition to that, the human history and the human impacts that have sort of shaped and changed this place over time. This particular photo was taken from Sugar Island, which is a large island in the middle of the St. Mary's River. And it shows a Great Lakes freighter, or a 1,000-footer, as some people up there refer to them as, and it's heading north up the St. Mary's River to Lake Superior. And throughout this presentation, we'll be showing you a number of other images from our time in the UP to try and help convey this sense of place to you all. Okay. So a bit of background about our client, the Nature Conservancy, was founded in 1951. They're active in all 50 states and 30 countries worldwide, and they've protected more than 117 million acres of land and 5,000 miles of river in the world. This includes 360,000 acres of land protected here in Michigan. The mission of the Nature Conservancy is to preserve the plants, animals, and natural communities that represent the diversity of life on Earth by protecting the lands and waters they need to survive. And I think a really important part of this mission is that it doesn't just focus on rare species or endangered or threatened species, but all biodiversity that's representative of a particular area. To achieve its mission, the Nature Conservancy uses a systematic, science-based approach. This conservation by design framework helps TNC determine where they work and what they conserve. It helps them develop strategies and also to establish measures that determine the effectiveness of those strategies over time. The eco-regional approach is the cornerstone of the Nature Conservancy's conservation strategy. An ecoregion is a large area that's defined by influences of shared climate and geology, which are two major factors in the large-scale distribution of plants and animals. It's helpful to think of the ecoregional level of planning as sort of a coarse filter that is used to identify priority areas for conservation. For example, the Nature Conservancy completed the Great Lakes Ecoregional Assessment in the year 2000. And from this, they identified 271 sites that capture the full range of biodiversity in the Great Lakes region.